In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to choose between InVideo and Canva video for content creation. If you've been wondering which tool is right for you, this walkthrough will help you compare them clearly so you can pick the one that actually fits your workflow, your skill level, and the kind of content you make. Let's start with ease of use. InVideo is designed more like a traditional video editor. That means you'll see timelines, scenes, and more granular controls. It's powerful, but it also takes a bit more time to learn, especially if you're new to video editing. Canva Video, on the other hand, feels much more like a simple design tool with video features built in. The interface is cleaner, and beginners usually feel comfortable with it very quickly. Next, think about what each platform is best for. InVideo really shines when you're creating marketing videos, YouTube content, or AI-generated videos. If you need structured videos with voiceovers, intros, outros, and story-driven formats, it's a strong choice. Canva Video is better suited for quick social media content like Reels, short promos, or simple brand videos you can turn around in minutes. Templates are another big factor. InVideo focuses on structured video templates that guide you through scenes and storytelling. This is helpful when you know you want a clear professional format. Canva offers a much wider mix of templates, not just for video, but for all kinds of design. If you want your videos to match your posts, presentations, or other visuals, that broader template library is very handy. Now let's talk about AI tools. InVideo offers stronger video-focused AI features like script-to-video and built-in voiceovers. This can save you a lot of time if you prefer to type your idea and let the tool build a draft for you. Canva's AI is more geared towards assisting with design, layout, and things like captions or written content around your visuals, rather than building full videos from scratch. When it comes to editing, InVideo gives you more precise control over timelines and scenes. You can fine-tune your cuts, timing, and transitions, more like in a dedicated editor. Canva keeps editing fast and simple, which is great when speed matters more than advanced control. For stock media, InVideo is particularly strong in video clips. If you rely heavily on stock footage, this is useful. Canva, meanwhile, offers a larger all-in-one library that includes videos, images, icons, and graphics, which is ideal if you're creating a lot of mixed media content. On branding, InVideo helps you keep your videos consistent, but Canva has an edge overall because of its brand kit, which spans all your designs and videos in one place. That makes it easier to maintain a unified look across everything you publish. Finally, consider collaboration. InVideo's teamwork features are more basic. Canva is generally better for real-time collaboration, where multiple people can jump in, leave comments, and make edits together, and that's it. By weighing these differences against what you actually need, you'll be able to make a confident choice between InVideo and Canva Video for your content creation.